So on which concept we are going to discuss here? We are going to discuss about here RS nomenclature. Okay, and that is only we can call as a RS system also, or as nomenclature. Or as nomenclature. So to find out the RS nomenclature means first we have to know CIP rules. First what we have to know means here, first we have to know about CIP rules. Aditi, what is meant by the CIP rules? So CIP is nothing but these three are the three scientist names. So one is a CAD, another one is Ingold, another one is here Prelog. So these three are the scientist names. Okay, so these three scientists were they had given some set of rules to give the priority. Okay, RS nomenclature we can find out the compounds which are containing the chiral centers. Okay, so where we can see the RS nomenclature means here the compounds which contains the chiral centers, in that compounds only we can find out the RS nomenclature also. Okay, to find out the RS nomenclature means first we have to know the priority order. Okay, first we have to know how to find out the priority order. So how we can find out the priority order means based on CIP rules. So what is the CIP rules means CAD, Ingold and Prelog. So these three scientists were they had given some set of rules. That set of rules, by following that set of rules we can give the priority. According to the CIP, what is the first means here? So based on the atomic number. Based on atomic number.
Second kind of mass, like if the atomic number is same, then we go for isotopes.
Very good, ma. Yeah. Okay. So first of all, what is the first condition is based on the atomic number. Okay. So if the carbon is attached with the four different atoms or group of atoms, in the one the element, the atom. So according to the elements means here. Okay. So based on the atomic number, the element which is having the highest atomic number, for that one we can give the first priority. Okay. For example, if I had given chlorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. For which one we can give the first priority, Aditi?
Iodine.
Very good one. So iodine we can give the first priority. Okay. So iodine we can give the first priority. So in this one iodine we can get as a first priority. So why the iodine we can give as a first priority means because of atomic number. Iodine is having the greater atomic number. So the element which is having the highest atomic number, for that one we have to give the first priority. And second condition, if the carbon is surrounded by the isotopes, the carbon is surrounded by the isotopes. If it is surrounded by the isotopes means the element which is having the highest atomic mass, for that one we have to give the first priority. For example, protium, deuterium, tritium is there. For which one we can give the first priority? Samhita. Samhita, after a long time I'm seeing you in a group. What happened to you?
Sir, I was there yesterday.
Okay, you also there, na? Okay,
Yep.
Samhita and one Sriveda. Sorry, Sriveda. I forgot one. Sorry, ma Samhita. Okay, Sriveda is continuously absent, na? Okay, Sai Akshit, Samhita, Aditi, Srisha, and Anjan is absent today. Okay, so anyway, let us see, ma. So here, hydrogen, deuterium, and tritium. All these three are the isotopes of the hydrogen. For which one we can give the first priority? Either tritium or deuterium or protium. So atomic mass of the protium is 1, deuterium atomic mass is 2, tritium atomic mass is 3. For which one we can give the first priority?
The one with highest mass.
So the one with the highest atomic mass. For that one we can give as the first priority. So tritium we can give the first priority. Okay. After that. So for example, if the carbon is attached with CH2Cl bond CH2OH bond CH2NH2. Here I had given three group of molecules. Okay, I had given three group of molecules. For which one we can give as a first priority?
The one with Cl, because we look for atomic mass, right?
Very good, ma. Sir, if you see means starting element is the carbon, it is there. In all the cases, starting element is here, carbon. Okay, if the starting element is same means then we have to go for the next atom. Okay, if the next atom is hydrogen, it is there. In this one also hydrogen. In this one also hydrogen. If the second atom also same means then we have to go for the third atom. If you see the third atom means we have a chlorine, oxygen and nitrogen. Okay, in chlorine, oxygen and nitrogen, which one is having the greater atomic number? So chlorine is having the greater atomic number. For that reason, we can give the first priority to the chlorine. After that, oxygen. After that, nitrogen atom. Okay, and I'll give one more example. For example, if it is attaches with the OH group, okay, and if it is attaches with the NH2 group, and if it is attaches with the CH3 group, in these three, for which one we can give the first priority, ma? Samita. The carbon is attaches with the OH or NH2 and CH3. Okay, out of these three, for which one we can give the first priority?
Sir, for OH.
Very good, ma. So why the OH you are giving as a first priority, Samita?
Has a higher atomic number compared
Very good, ma. Oxygen is directly attaches to the carbon. In this one, nitrogen is directly attaches to the carbon. And in this one, carbon is directly attaches to the carbon. So if you compare with the oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, oxygen is having the highest atomic number. For that one, we are giving as a first priority to the oxygen. After that, to the nitrogen. After that, methyl group. And one more example. For example, if I had given COOH and CHO, C2H5 and CH3. So for which one we can give as a first priority? COOH is there, CHO group it is there, C2H5 is there, and CH3 it is there. For which one we can give the first priority? Aditi or Samita or Sai Akshit? Come on, Aditi.
So we'll give more priority to COOH.
Very good, ma'am. So we can give the first priority to the COOH. Sirisha, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you understand now? Sir, why we are giving the first priority to the carboxylic acid? Sir, why we are giving the first priority to the carboxylic acid means, if you write the complete structure of the carboxylic acid means we can write C double bond O, OH. And for aldehyde we can write as a C double bond O, OH, sorry, H only. Okay, C double bond O, H, aldehyde group, aldehyde group. Okay, now we can check it out. Here, in this one carboxylic acid, the carbon is their starting element. In aldehyde, starting element is carbon is there. And if you go for the second atom means here also oxygen, here also oxygen is there. So second atom also it is the identical one. If it is the identical one means then we have to go for the third atom. If you see the third atom here we having the oxygen, in this one we having the hydrogen atom. So if you compare with the oxygen and the hydrogen, for which one we can give the first priority means here oxygen. So that's why we can give the carboxylic acid to the first priority. After that aldehyde, and after that C2H5, after that CH3 group. Okay. Next, last one. So what is the last one means here? If the carbon is attaches with the double bond or triple bond, C triple bond C it is that. Is C double bond C, C triple bond C. For which one we can give the first priority? For which one we can give the first priority, ma? Either double bond or triple bond?
Triple bond, I think.
Triple bond. Samhita, very good, Samhita. So triple bond. Aditi, you are asking something.
So it will be triple bond because when we break it, it will have more.
Yes, ma. Okay. So here, for which one we can give that first priority means we can give the priority to the triple bond. So what is the triple bond means? The carbon is attaches with the three neighboring carbon atoms. So whenever you see double bond means the carbon is attaches with the two neighboring carbon atoms, 2 and 3. So which one is more means triple bond is more. That's why we are giving as a first priority to the carbon. 3C triple bond C. Until here clear? Right. So now I'm entering the RS nomenclature. Okay, so now we had seen the priority order. So because of without knowing the priority order, it is not possible to find out whether the given compound is exhibit as a R isomer or S isomer. Okay, now here, so we have a set of rules. What are the set of rules means? First condition to find out the R isomer. So we have first condition. Sir, what is the first condition means here? Here, if the priority order, so in this one, what is the first condition means? If the least priority group, the least priority group is present on vertical line or away from the observer, away from observer. Okay, sir, away from the observer means how we can represent, sir? Where we are using as away from the observer, towards to the observer. Away from the observer can be represented with the dashed lines. So three-dimensional representation we can call. Okay, in three-dimensional representation, that is only we can call as a wedge and dash representation. So dash representation is, it indicates this atom is present at away from the observer. Okay, now what is the condition? If the least priority group is present on the vertical line or away from the observer. Now condition now. Priority order is first condition. The priority order is in clockwise direction. Is in clockwise direction. If it is in clockwise direction, then the given isomer is R. Then the given isomer is R isomer. Okay, so what is the condition means here? If the least priority group is present on the vertical line or away from the observer. If the priority order is in clockwise direction, means that we can call as a R isomer. And second condition, the priority order is in anti-clockwise direction. Priority order is in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Then the given isomer. Then the given isomer. And given isomer is S isomer. Given isomer is S isomer. Now all this, whatever the concept we are discussing, it is JEE level concept. Okay, now so we got the condition. So shall we see some examples here? So all of you know the vertical line now. What is the vertical line? So straight line is called as a vertical line. For example, if I wrote like this. So here COOH is there. And here so C2H5 is there. And here H and here CH3. Okay, so this is the structure I had given. First of all, the given compound is optically active compound or optically inactive compound. But the given compound is optically active or optically inactive. Any one of you. Aditi or Samhita or Sai Akshit. Anjan is absent, Madhusudan is absent. Aditi, the given compound is optically active or optically inactive? Samhita? Samhita, the given compound is optically active or optically inactive?
Sir, is it inactive?
Check
Sir.
it out.
Optically active, sir.
Samhita, very good Samhita. It is optically active, Aditi. So when we can call as optically active means here, sir, the given compound is, okay, if the compound is, or if the carbon is attaches with the four different atoms or group of atoms. Four different atoms are group of atoms, then only it exhibit as a optically active. Now let us see, this is the carbon atom. This carbon is attaches with the COOH group, C2H5, CH3 and H. So the carbon is attaches with the four different atoms or group of atoms, is called as a optically active because of it has a chiral center. Or another definition also I had given, the compound which contains the chiral center means that it becomes as a optically active. Okay. Now let us see. So I give two structures to find out the RS nomenclature. First we have to follow the priority order. Now first we have to give the priority. Now if you see means the second carbon atom is attaches with the carboxylic acid group and ethyl group and methyl group and hydrogen. First, for which one we can give the first priority according to the priority order? Sirisha, according to the priority order, first for which one we can give the first priority, ma? Either carboxylic acid or ethyl group or methyl group or hydrogen.
Ethyl groups.
Amma, ethyl you won't get na. Before that, one more carboxylic acid is there. Because of starting element is here also carbon, here also carbon, here also carbon. If the starting element is identical means then we have to go for the next element. If you see means the next element is oxygen is there. In this one carbon is there. In the oxygen and carbon, which one is having the highest atomic number, Sirisha?
COOH.
COOH. So we can give the first priority to the carboxylic acid. And ethyl and methyl. For which one we can give the second priority? Sirisha. In ethyl and methyl, which one we can give the second priority?
Ethyl.
Very good one. Ethyl group. So third priority to the methyl group and least priority to the hydrogen. Okay. Now you can check it out, sir. Condition applied. Least priority is present on the horizontal line or vertical line? Least priority group is present on the horizontal line or vertical line? Vertical line is called as a straight line. The straight line is called as a vertical line. Okay, so this one here. So this we can call as a horizontal line. Whatever the cross we are writing, that we can call as a horizontal line. Okay, now let us see. If the least priority group is present on the vertical line, and if you add all this priority order, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to add like this: 1, 2, 3. So whenever you are adding like this means here, it goes in a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction? It goes in a clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction, ma. Sirisha is giving answer. Come on, Sirisha.
The clockwise direction.
If the clockwise means what is the isomer, Sirisha? R isomer or S isomer?
That I don't know.
Ma, here
R.
R, ma, here. Okay. If it is rotating clockwise direction, means then the given carbon is exhibit as a R isomer. Second one. Any one of you can you try for the second one? Any one of you can you try for the second one? Aditi or Samhita? To try for the second one means I'll go for the, I'll give some other examples also. One more example I'll give. What is the second one? Which isomer? Samhita?
Sir, is it anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise means which isomer? Either S isomer or R isomer. It is S isomer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next one more I had given.
Sir, the next one is R isomer.
Next one is R isomer. Very good, Aditi. Become forward. Form there. You are in form. Okay. So next one you are telling that it is R isomer. What about the next one? Sangeeta, what happened today?
So the next one is S.
Next one is S.
Yes, sir. Anti-clockwise.
Very good.
Yes, sir, it's S.
So next one also it is S. Sirisha, do you have any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, so right, let us see, man. So in this one, second one, I'm going to be explain here. So first of all, in the second example, Aditi is given as answer is S isomer. Sir, how you are telling that S isomer means first the least, first we have to give the priority. Here bromine is there, OH group is there, methyl group is there. For which one we can give the first priority?
Bromine, sir.
Bromine. Second priority,
OH.
OH. Third priority, methyl group. Fourth priority is here hydrogen. So least priority is present on the vertical line. Condition: if the priority order is in a anti-clockwise direction. If it is anti-clockwise direction means it exhibits as a S. So in this one. Now my question is here, Sirisha. In amine, methyl, chlorine and hydrogen. For which one we can give the first priority? Sirisha. For chlorine. In this one, for which one we can give the first priority, ma?
CH3, sir.
Chlorine or nitrogen or methyl group?
CH3.
Amma, carbon is having the chlorine, nitrogen and carbon. Chlorine atomic number is 7, 17. Okay, nitrogen atomic number is 7, carbon atomic number is 6. Which one is having the greater the atomic number? Chlorine. So we have to give the first priority to the chlorine. After that, amine functional group. After that, carbon. Okay, least priority for the hydrogen. Now you got the clarity, Sirisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the priority order is in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction? Aditi wants to check it out this one. Sir, Cl, CH3 and H2. Cl, CH3 and H2 means here it is in anti-clockwise direction, Aditi. Aditi, you give the answer is R. But chlorine, amine and methyl groups are present in anti-clockwise direction. If it is anti-clockwise direction means the given one is exhibited as a S isomer. It's not the R isomer, ma.
Sir, no, sir. Instead of N, I wrote it as C.
Oh. So check it out, ma. So the given isomer is it exhibit as a S isomer. It is not the R isomer. Okay. Now let us see in this one. In the second one. For which one we can give the first priority?
Cl, then NH2, then CH, then H.
Okay, so very good one. So least priority group is present on the vertical line and priority order 1, 2, 3. It is going in a clockwise direction. If it is going in a clockwise direction means that given isomer is R isomer or S isomer?
R.
R. Samhita, you also given wrong answer. Can I give one more example to get the clarity?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so one more example, ma. Both of you. Okay, I'll give one more example. So to get the clarity, so what's isomer? Oh. Right. So now what is another example I'm giving here? So if here CH3 OH and this one is C2H5 and here H is there. So the given one is which isomer? Samhita. Now the question is belongs to Samhita. Samhita, what is the answer? Either the given one is R isomer or S isomer.
Sir, is it S?
Is it S? Aditi?
R isomers.
R isomer. Sirisha? Sirisha, what's your answer? Sai Akshit.
R isomer.
R isomer. Sirisha also R isomer. Sai Akshit. He won't respond, simply he'll attend the class. Okay, right one. Let us see one. So first, for which one we can give the first priority?
Sir, OH, then ethyl, methyl,
Okay,
and hydrogen.
methyl and hydrogen. Hydrogen is the least priority. Okay, so here first one is you can check it out now. So least priority is present on the vertical line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is it is in anti-clockwise direction. If it is anti-clockwise direction means either it is R isomer or S isomer. S isomer, Aditi. Where you are getting confusion? Aditi, you have to add priority order. So in a series manner, let's see 1. Let us see clockwise. Let us see numbers how it will be there in a clock. 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 9 only. So if 1, 2, 3 means sequence means you can write like this only na. So when it is rotates in this direction means you can call as a clockwise direction. Otherwise, if it is there 1, 3, 9, 6, if it rotates in this manner means that we can call as a anti-clockwise direction. Now you got the clarity, Aditi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so a small confusion. I think so. You are having the small confusion by adding the series here. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, can I give one more example? Samhita. So one more example. This is the last example. Then I'll go for the next condition. Okay. So what is another example I can give means here? For example, this one. C2H5 bond here CH3 OH and H it is there. What is the isomer? What is the isomer? The given compound is exhibited as R isomer or S isomer. Samhita, first we can discuss about the priority order. For which one we can give the first priority?
Sir, OH, then C2H5, then CH, and then H.
Least priority group is present on the vertical line or horizontal line, Aditi?
On the vertical line.
If the vertical line clockwise direction is, what is the isomer? If it is in vertical line and the clockwise direction means which isomer? R isomer or S isomer? Some
Or
Aditi. If it is in anti-clockwise direction, Aditi?
then it's S.
Okay. Now let's say I'm going to add as a priority order. 1, 2, 3. So this is the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Either it is in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. My hand is going in a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction.
So clockwise.
Clockwise means which isomer?
Hmm.
R isomer. So now you got the clarity.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now second condition is there.
Sir, could you explain the above one, the NH2 one?
NH21 ma. Okay.
Yes, sir, that one.
So this one ma.
Yes, sir.
So here first. So if you which one we can list? Two structures are there. First one or second one?
Second one, sir.
Second one. Right, Samhita. So Samhita, first the carbon is this is the chiral carbon, Samhita. This carbon is surrounded by the four different group of atoms. So one is chlorine, amine, and methyl group. It is there. Chlorine, amine, methyl group. First, I am checking out the starting elements. Starting element is chlorine is there. If the starting element is nitrogen, if the starting element is carbon, it is there. Now, first to check it out the atomic number. What is the atomic number of the chlorine? Samhita.
17.
Atomic number of the nitrogen?
5.
Atomic number of the nitrogen is 7.
6.
7.
Sorry.
Carbon is 6.
6.
Okay. Now let us see. So according to the condition, according to the priority order, the element which is having the highest atomic number, for that one we had to give the first priority. So that's why I gave the first priority to the chlorine, second priority to the amine, third priority to the methyl group. Okay. Now I am adding least priority group is hydrogen. Least priority group is present on the vertical line. Okay. Now I am rotating. Let's say I am adding priority 1. So 1, 2, 3. So how my hand is going on there? Either it is going in a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Samhita. My hand is going in a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction?
Clockwise direction.
So clockwise direction is what is the isomer? R isomer only, na?
Sir, but why can't we go clockwise also from CH3? Why are we going from H?
Because of 1 to 3, priority order 1, 2, 3 means we have to add like this only. Okay, so we can't take as a methyl group. We can't do in this direction. So whenever you're going to, whenever, let us see, the number is 1, 3, 2, it is there. 1, 3 means how we can add mark. You can't get as a series number. Na? You can't get as a proper order, na, Samhita?
Yes, sir.
You got my point or not? So if you're starting the numbering means we can start the 1, 2, 3 only. But we can't write as a 1, 3, 2, na? Okay, so that's why we are taking in a proper order. So we have to add in a proper order. So the proper order, it may be in a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. So based on the clockwise direction means we can call as a R isomer. If it is present in anti-clockwise direction means that we can call as a S isomer. Clear? Right, ma'am. And another condition. Let us see. First, we had seen as if the least priority group is present on the vertical line. If the second condition, what is the second condition means? If the least priority group is the least priority group is present on horizontal line. Horizontal line or towards to the observer or towards to the observer towards to the observer. So towards to the observer means that we are representing with dark line. How we are going to represent here? We are representing with the dark line. Okay, and first one, and priority order is in clockwise direction, exactly opposite. Is in clockwise direction means that we can call as a S isomer. What is the second condition means? If the priority order is in anti-clockwise direction, that we can call as a R isomer. Okay, so this is the conditions are there. First you read the condition while coming tomorrow. Okay, while coming tomorrow before the class, just go through the conditions. What are the CIP rules are there? So when we have to consider, so what is the least priority? What is the position of the least priority? If it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, so based on this one, tomorrow we are going to solve the JEE level questions. Okay, so just we are discussing about the Fisher projection formulas and wedge and dash projection formulas also it is there. Okay, and we'll discuss some previous year questions also based on this one. But while coming tomorrow, you have to read all these points and you can come. Right, Sirisha?
Okay, sir.
Next, Samhita. Okay, so then we'll continue in the next class. I think so you're having next class. Okay, we'll see you in the next class. Please, all of you log in exactly